Good day, everyone. I'm Ian and I ride bikes. So, for this video, we'll be unboxing two new purchases. It's a little upgrade from the basic flat pedals. So, for this video, we'll be unboxing the Shimano RC3s and paired with the SPDSL pedals. Okay, so first off, um, Shimano box. So I got this from Manila Town Center, so that store there. So this is a size 41, so my size. So in the box, you'll see the Shimano's RC3s. Okay, so it's made of synthetic leather with the BOA system for closure, and it's a nylon enforced toe. That it's not the fiberglass or the carbon fiber sole, so it's the nylon reinforced. Okay, so here's the other one. So my new RC3s. So this is an upgrade from my flat shoes for flat pedal shoes. So if you want to be more serious into cycling, you can use these RC3s. Okay, next off would be the paired with this is the Shimano SPDSL pedals. So I got the PD RS 500. So they told me that this is somewhat of an upgrade to the 540. So this is for the beginners who want to um, go into the clipless pedals. So the pedals are already installed in my bike, so I'm just gonna show you the attachment. So for the attachment, it comes with the yellow attachment. So for road bikes, it has the 3 bolts and it can be moved. So it's an Allen key or Allen bolt. So it has I think a 6-degree movement. So it will be easier for beginners to adjust and get your proper positioning. Okay, so together with the shoe, this is how it looks. Okay, so both shoes. And there you have it, the RC3s, the 302s, together with the PDRS 500. Okay, hopefully I can enjoy this weekend. And that's it for the unboxing. Have a great day.